Well, fun fact, guys. I know I asked this question today. I took the crossover thermostat housing thing off. This is that black tube. So, very carefully, I removed it from the back here, like normal, how everybody else has done it, and just hung it there. But if you look here, there's an opening in the fan housing. There's more light down there for you. There you go. There's a opening here, right here. Kind of at the, I don't know. I'm tired, so I can't do clocks, but it's the one by the connector, above the connector here. We'll make it simple. Pull it straight out. When it gets to about here, it is free to move about. And if you shove it in all the way and barely touch the radiator, you can change the seal. There's not a lot of room, but you can get a pick underneath there, pop an old O-ring off, pop a new one on, and then go about trying to finagle it back into place. So, hope this helps everybody. I just decided to go for it, and voila. I don't know if this is a 2012. I don't know if the 13s, 14s have different fan shrouds, but I watched a video. Taking the fans off is not that difficult, but this is even better because ultimately you're just going to pop it back in place anyways. So there you go. It works.